We're on location here in Windsor, filming the very latest episode of Renovate or Rebuild. In this week's episode, we'll be featuring a beautiful home in Flinders, Victoria. And today, we're here at Jesse Raeburn's property in Windsor to check out his Enphase solar system. This particular home was installed with a 4 kilowatt Enphase system, purely because that's all the roof space that was available. Unfortunately, in this particular situation, the home is surrounded by trees. There's only a small piece of roof that's suitable for solar power. So in this particular instance, the Enphase system was ideal. Microinverters, meaning each panel would operate independently of the other, and also incorporating the very latest IQ battery that Enphase have introduced to the Australian market. We actually got it installed for the first time today, which is absolutely awesome for the show and really cool for Enphase as well. So let's check it out and see what's happening behind the scenes. So we're here at Jesse's home in Windsor. Jesse, you've done an absolutely incredible job with this property.
Thank you, Rosh. It's been a labour of love, a lot of blood, sweat and tears, but there's nothing I would change about the renovation. I love it.
Mate, and look, I remember when you came to me absolutely months ago, in fact years ago, and saying you wanted to build your own home. You found the area that you wanted to build in, which is here in Windsor, and then you wanted to incorporate solar power technology. You know, it was an interesting process that we went through, wasn't it?
Yeah, well it was, because unfortunately, our home faces south. We're on the south side of the street, which is not ideal for solar. We're obviously in Melbourne, so there's a lot of days like this where it's very cloudy, so we don't get a lot of sun all year round. And so I came to you, obviously you're the solar expert, and was like, what would be the best system for me to put on the home?
And you have trees as well, which does add the extra little hurdle of the occasional shade as well, which isn't ideal. The technology you've gone for is Enphase, which is absolutely fantastic, so microinverters, and you've just added the IQ battery too.
Yeah, that's right, mate. So we've gone all out. I think that if ever there's a time to invest in solar and battery storage, now's the time, because energy prices have already increased like nearly 50% in the last couple of years. They're estimating it's going to continue to increase 20% year on year. And so, you know, if you think 10 years ago you were installing solar, it's going to take 15 years to pay for itself. Now it's probably going to pay for itself in about 7 years, even with a battery.
I mean, you are probably the best brand ambassador for the industry. And anyone watching this today that's in the industry, any of our clients, you want to engage this guy to actually talk about technology, because you do such a fantastic job in terms of talking about its benefits. As a user now, solar power technology as well, you've got hands-on experience of how it's helping you reduce your energy bills. Have you seen a significant difference in your bills of having solar power?
Yeah, I have. I think that our bill has reduced at least 50%. The issue we have at the moment is not with the solar panels, but we've got a 1-year-old, little Chloe.
Yep.
And so we are using the dryer so much more than the air we had before, because we don't have a lot of room for a clothesline. I imagine without Chloe, our bills would have reduced like 75%, but it's because of her, it's only dropped about 50%. But the reason as well we went with Enphase is because we got the app on my phone.
Yeah.
And it's like every day I'm like checking my health. I'm like, how many steps have I done today? I'm checking Facebook. How many views have I had on that video? I'm checking Enphase to go, how much energy have I used for the day, or even put back into the grid? I get a kick out of it.
I mean, you love technology more than anyone I know. Probably it's like even more so than myself, and I love technology. What's awesome about today, we've been filming Renovate of Rebuild Season 2. Obviously this is the Enphase segment as well. You must be so proud of the finished work that you've done to your home. I mean, it looks amazing.
Oh, thank you so much, Rosh. I am very proud of the renovation and work that we've done. Obviously, all of our friends and family have seen it, but I'm very house proud, so I love it when I get to show people like yourself through, or Greg and Suzanne who haven't seen it before, and just to see their expression and how impressed they are. And I can see the questions that they're asking is because they've seen detail and they want to understand the thought behind that.
Thank you once again for inviting us to your house today, and for being the ambassador for Enphase and also for Energy Matters. I mean, we're so proud to have you as part of the family, and mate, you're an absolute legend.
Mate, I love working with you too, Rosh. Thanks, buddy.